Properties of triangles, exercise 10a, question number 5. First bit, fifth question. If the angles are in the ratio, if the angles are in the ratio, if the angles are in the ratio 1:5:6, 1:5:6, then find the ratios of, then find the ratio of its sides. Then find the ratios of its sides. Okay, so solution. Angle A is to B is to C equal to 1:5:6. Angle A is to B is to angles ratio 1:5:6 given. We need to find out sides ratio. Small a is to small b is to small c. Okay, so A equal to K, B equal to 5K, C equal to 6K. Ratio like this: K, 5K, 6K. I do. So A plus B plus C equal to 180. Since all we are doing on the problems based upon triangle, so sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. 8K plus 5K plus 6K equal to 180. K plus 5K, 6K plus 6K, 12K equal to 180. K equal to 180 by 12, which is equal to 50. Angle A equal to 15. Angle B equal to 5 into 15, 75. Angle C equal to 6 into 15, 90. A, B, C, B. So A by sin A equal to B by sin B, which is equal to C by sin C. So A is to B is to C equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. A is to B is to C equal to sin A is to sin B is to sin C. So sin 15 is to sin B 75 is to sin C 90. Sin 15. So sin 15 value √3 minus 1 by 2 √2 is to sin 75 √3 plus 1 by 2 √2 is to sin 81. Here all the denominators, here these two denominators are 2 √2. Multiply with the 2 √2. 2 √2 cancel. √3 minus 1 is to √3 plus 1 is to 2 √2. This is the required solution. This is the ratio of the sides A, B, C. Next, so seventh question. Sixth one already completed. Seventh one. Prove that A square plus B square minus C square, A square plus B square minus C square by A C square plus A square minus B square, C square plus A square minus B square equal to tan B by tan C equal to tan B by tan C. Okay, so A square plus B square minus C square. I want to write cos formula. Cos C equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB, cross multiplication. So A square plus B square minus C square equal to 2AB cos C. Similarly, what we need? C square plus A square minus B square, C square plus A square minus B square equal to 2AC cos B. Like this. Okay, now LHS I am taking. So what is LHS? A square plus B square minus C square by C square plus A square minus B square. So this numerator is equal to 2AB cos C. 2AB cos C by C square plus A square minus B square equal to 2AC cos B. 2A cancel. B equal to 2R sin B into cos C by C equal to 2R sin C into cos C. So 2R also getting cancelled. So already this is cos B sin B by cos B into cos C by sin C. Sin B by cos B, tan B. Cos C by sin C, cot C. Denominator tan. This is cot C. If we write in the denominator tan C, tan B by tan C. This is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay. Next question. So question number 9 we will do first. Ninth one. Prove that B minus A cos C, B minus A cos C sin A equal to B minus A cos C sin A equal to A cos A sin C, A cos A sin C, A cos A sin C. B minus of A cos C sin A, B minus A cos C sin A equal to A cos A sin C. Okay, now so I am taking LHS. B minus A cos C, B minus A cos C. I want to write a projection rule for B side B. So this B formula is A cos B, A cos C plus C cos C, A cos C plus C cos C minus A cos C. A cos C cancel. So C cos A, C cos A. Okay, this C I am writing it as 2R sin. So we got C cos A. We need to prove A cos A sin C. Okay, so C cos A we got. So C I am writing it as 2R sin C, 2R sin C cos C. So actually before we have B minus A cos C, B equal to A cos C plus C cos A minus A cos C. So A cos C cancel, C cos A, C equal to 2R sin C. So we need to prove it as A cos A sin C, A cos A sin C. Okay, A cos A sin C cos A, but it is 2R. Actually this is sin A into sin A. I forgot to write into sin A. Here also into sin A. Here also into sin A into sin A. So this I missed into sin A. I wrote now. Okay, now 2R sin A I am writing first. Later cos A into sin C. 2R sin A equal to small a cos A sin C. So A cos A sin C. This is equal to RHS. This is the required solution. Okay, next. So 8th question we will discuss. 8th one. Prove that B plus C cos A, B plus C of cos A plus C plus A cos B, C plus A cos B plus C plus A cos B plus A plus B cos C, A plus B cos C equal to A plus B cos C equal to A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Okay, this we need to prove. Okay, now so first I am taking LHS. B plus C cos A plus C plus A cos B plus A plus B cos C. So splitting B cos A plus C cos C, B cos A plus C cos A plus C cos B plus A cos B plus A cos C plus C B cos C, B cos C. So I want to take a BC combination wherever it is. B cos C I am taking B cos C plus in this C cos B. This one I am taking C cos B, one bracket plus. Now I want to take AC combination. A cos C plus C cos A plus latter AB combination A cos B plus B cos B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are covered, but I want to write this combination. So according to the projection rule, this is equal to A, this is equal to B, this is equal to C. So A plus B plus C, this is equal to RHS. This is the required proof. Next. Question number 10. So if 4, 5 are sides of triangle including angle 60 degrees, find its area. If 4, 5 are two sides of triangle, two sides of triangle, two sides of triangle, two sides of triangle, and the included angle is 60 degrees. Then find its area. Solution. So two triangles are given. One triangle is given. It's two sides. One is 4, another one 5. I want to take a triangle A, B, C. So let us consider. So two sides. I am taking this one 4. This is 5. So this small c equal to, let small c equal to 4, small b equal to, small a equal to 5. Opposite to capital A, small a. Opposite to capital C, small c. So A 5, B 4, and included angle, this angle 60 degrees. Angle B equal to 60 degrees. Angle B equal to 60 degrees. Now area equal to half AC sin B. Half AC sin B. So 1 by 2 into A4. See how much? A5, C4. One of them 5, one of them 4. Sin 60. So 2 into 1, 2 into 2. 2 into 5 into root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. Answer 5 root 3 square units. So this is the required solution. Okay. Next, 11th question. Show that B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2. C cos square B by 2. B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2 equal to S. We need to prove this one. Okay, first cos C by 2 formula, cos B by 2 formula. Actually the formulas are square root. So B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2. So LHS B into. So what is the formula? Under root of S minus C by AB. S minus A by AB whole square plus C under root of S minus B by AC. Square root getting cancelled. B into S minus A by AB plus C into S minus B by AC. So here B cancel, here C cancel. So S by A common. S minus A plus S minus B, which is equal to S by A of S plus S, 2S minus A minus B. So S by A into A plus B plus C equal to S. 2S minus A minus B equals C. 2S minus A minus B. Actually, this is S into S minus C. Since it is C, S into S minus C. Here also C. Here also C. Here also C. 2S minus C minus B equal to A. A cancel, which is equal to S. That we need to do. This is equal to RHS. Okay, next. if a by cos a plus equal to b by cos b, a by cos a equal to b by cos b equal to c by cos c, c by cos c. Then show that triangle ABC is equilateral. Triangle ABC is equilateral. Okay, solution. So first given information I want to write a by cos a equal to b by cos b equal to c by cos c. A by cos a equal to b by cos b equal to c by cos c. A equal to 2r sin b, 2r sin a by cos a equal to 2r sin b by cos b equal to 2r sin c by cos c. So 2r cancel, all 2r's cancel. So overall sin a by cos a, tan a equal to tan b equal to tan c. So since tan a, tan b, tan c are equal and a comma b comma c are in angles in triangle. So a comma b comma c are angles in a triangle. So tan a, tan b, tan c all are equal, which means all are having same side. So tan a, tan b, tan c all are positive. All must be positive because in first quadrant it is positive, second quadrant negative. So if one of the angles is in the second quadrant, either ABCR lies in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant. Any angle in the second quadrant tan is negative. So all these must be in the first quadrant. Tan A, tan B, tan C all are positive. A, B, C are in Q1. In the Q1 with no different angles, tan value won't be equal. So angles should be equal. If A, B, C are different angles, tan A, tan B, tan C won't be equal. In the any quadrant, any trigonometric ratio, different angles, different values, same different angles, different values. Same angles gives the same values. So A, B, C won't be different. Therefore, A equal to B equal to C. A equal to B equal to C. Angles are equal. Therefore, triangle A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. So this is the required solution. Okay, next. So example we will discuss. Page number 382. Page number 382. So first question, in triangle ABC, A equal to 3, B equal to 4, sin A equal to 3 by 4, sin A equal to 3 by 4. Find angle B. So solution, given A equal to 3, B equal to 4, sin A equal to 3 by 4. So sin rule I want to apply. A by sin A equal to B by sin B. Cross multiplication, sin B equal to B into this bringing outside sin A by B. How much? 4. Sin A 3 by 4 into A 3 cancel, 4 cancel 1. Sin is 1 at 90 degrees. B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, next second question. Lengths of the sides of a triangle are 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Find the circumradius. So 3, 4, 5 are the sides. So solution: 3, 4, 5 are Pythagoras triplets. 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagoras triplets. So 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagoras triplets. So it forms right triangle. For a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the diameter of the circumcenter. So hypotenuse is the diameter of the circumcircle. So hypotenuse is diameter of circumcircle. So 2r equal to, what is the diameter? Hypotenuse 5, to diameter equal to 5, r equal to 5/2. So this is the circumradius. Okay, next question number 3. Third question: if a equal to 6, b equal to 5, c equal to 9, then find angle A. So cosine property I want to take. Solution: a6, b5, c9. So cos A equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Cos A equal to b square 5 square plus 9 square minus 6 square into 2 into 5 into 9. 5 square how much? 25. 9 square 81 minus 36 by 10 into 9. 5 plus 1 6. 8 plus 2 10. 106 minus 36 by 90. So 70 by 90. 0 0 cancel. Cos A equal to 7 by 9. A equal to cos inverse 7 by 9. So this is the answer. Next, fourth question: in triangle ABC, show that sigma b plus c cos A equal to s. So previously we discussed this one. So solution: sigma b plus c cos A. So b plus c cos A. Next, c plus a cos b, a plus b cos c. So all we find as previously we got a plus b plus c, that is equal to s. So b cos c plus c cos a, c cos b, a cos b, a cos c plus c cos c overall. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. A c cos a plus a cos c. This is b. B cos c plus c cos b, a. Next, a cos b plus b cos c. B cos c. B cos a. B cos, actually this is a. A cos b plus b cos a, c. A plus b plus c equal to 2s. This is equal to RHS. Next, fifth one is, if the sides are 13, 14, 15, find a circumdiameter. Sides, if the sides are 13, 14, 15, find circumdiameter. So sides 13, 14, 15. Solution: A 13, B 14, C 15. Sides 13, 14, 15. So circumdiameter. So we need diameter. So diameter means 2r. We need to find out 2r. So I want to take first s. 2s equal to a plus b plus c. S equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. 13 plus 14, 17, 27, 42 by 2 equal to 21. So s minus a, 21 minus 13 equal to 8. S minus b, 21 minus 14, 7. S minus c, 21 minus 15, 6. Delta under root s of s minus a of s minus b of s minus c. Okay, equal to under root s 21 into s minus a 8 into 7 into 6. So 21, 7 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7 into 2 into 3 equal to 2 sevens 1 7, 2 threes 1 3, 4 twos 2 twos. 7 into 3 21 into 4 84. So R equal to ABC by 4 delta. Formula delta equal to ABC by 4. So ABC 13, 14, 15 by 4 into delta 84. Now, so 14 into 1, 14 into 6. 3, 2. 3 means 5. 3 into 5, 3 into 2. So 2R we need 65 by 8 into 2. So 65 by 4. This is the circum diameter. Okay. Next.